Almost done with this tiny sail. Don't fall apart on me now.
That looks so cool, Dad.
It takes patience, little captain.
Tomorrow is the first day of school!
Yay! School starts tomorrow? For real? That could be me. I'm so ready. Wow, it's Tom! Don't worry, learning has arrived. Done before the bell. Amazing! A little science, a little magic. Cool! Dad, I want to go to school tomorrow.
That's a strong opinion.
Please, 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 I am fully ready.
You look very ready. And very loud. School. That brings back something.
Who is that boy?
That's me. My teacher helped me build that boat.
He looks nice.
It looks just like your model.
Yeah, almost exactly.
He did not even make it to bed.
He's already dreaming about school.
It's school day. Best morning ever. One arm, two arms, no mistakes. Professional student mode. Pencils, check. Important stuff, check.
You are up early.
I'm a school person now.
Who are you and what did you do with our son?
I got smart overnight.
Do schools have science on day 1?
Sometimes.
What if I become class president before lunch?
Let's start with finding your seat.
Do teachers always know everything?
They know a lot. And when kids are being silly,
Wow, it is bigger than on TV. Yeah, and TV doesn't smell like crayons.
Who is that teacher?
I'm not sure.
That boat looks familiar. Really familiar.
Oh, hey there.
Sorry, I was just looking.
You must be Tom.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to class.
I've been ready since last night. Find a seat, everyone.
This is already amazing. I can do school. I can definitely do school.
We are practicing letters, Tom.
This is almost letters and also your face.
If I have 2 apples and add 1 more.
Then you have lunch.
Tom, that was the math apple.
Now it's the snack apple.
Well, now I have 2 apples and 1 problem.
Tom and Mr. Mike are best friends forever.
That is not the word list, but it is very committed.
Airplane 1 is ready!
Tom, keep it in the sky and away from heads.
This school is huge.
Yes, and you do not have to visit all of it in 1 minute.
Walking is also allowed, Tom.
Running feels more educational. Are you tired, Mr. Mike?
A little, but I'm still here.
You never got really mad.
Today, we make something with our hands.
That already sounds important.
Sand it gently, then shape it slowly.
Got it.
Just a tiny rest.
Okay. The boat in the picture. And Dad's boat at home. No rushing now. Do it right.
For the first time that day, Tom slowed down enough to really learn.
Careful, careful. Almost there. Please look like a real boat.
Tom,
I made something.
you made this?
Yes, for you. Thank you for my first school day. It was really fun.
Tom, this means a lot. I need to show you something.
The picture.
When I was little, my teacher taught me to build my first boat.
Just like this?
He taught me to slow down and to care about every small step.
So school is not only about doing fun stuff?
Fun helps, but learning how to listen and care matters too. I'll keep this right here.
Really? That makes me happy.
You earned that feeling.
How was the big first day?
Did you survive school?
It was amazing. And also very busy.
I ate the math apple.
You did what? That sounds exactly like you.
But then I made a boat.
A boat?
Yeah, and Mr. Mike had an old photo with one too.
Mr. Mike. Maybe I know that story.
Funny how some lessons come back.
And sometimes through your own child.
School was louder, funnier, and deeper than I thought. That is a lot for one day. I want to do better tomorrow. And maybe not eat the math tools. Did Tom make that?
Yes. Yes, he did.
You really kept it there.
Some things deserve a place where people can see them. Ready for day 2?
Yes, and maybe a little calmer.
Okay, school version 2. Less chaos, more learning.
That sounds like a strong plan.
I make strong plans now.
Thank you again, Tom.
You're welcome, Mr. Mike. I like school more now. For different reasons.
A first school day can begin with noise and wonder, but meaning often arrives in the quiet moment after. Let's learn something good today.
School is not just for fun, right?
No, Tom, it is also where fun grows into understanding.